Okay, today we're going to take a look at this paper, Henry Park Primary School 2019 SA1 for Primary 4. I will only be going through questions that my students have asked me. So let's take a look at question 4. Okay, question 4, it says, how many 8s are there in 5? Just a minute. Yeah, like that will be better. How many 8s are there in 3 and 5 over 8? So 3 and 5 over 8, right? How many 8s are there? So if it's 3 whole, right? 3 whole, you have 24 8s. But I have 3 and 5 over 8. So it's 24 8s plus 5 8s. That is 29. So you have 29. Oh, understand now, this one? Therefore, answer is 29.
Yes.
Okay. Then let's move on to the next question. Well, next question, question 7. A number when rounded to the nearest thousand is 47,000. Which of the following could the number possibly be? So you round off one by one to nearest thousand. This one round off to nearest thousand, you have how many? 48,000. Oh, you need to understand why is this 48,000. No?
Okay.
Do you understand why is this 48,000?
Yes.
Because this 5 here. So this one, round off to nearest thousand only 47,000. So answer is number 2. This one round off to nearest thousand is 46,000. Same thing, this one also 46,000. So answer is number 2. Okay? Okay, number 8. Mr. Tan wants to pack 462 8 cards into boxes. Each box can only contain up to 9 8 cards. What is the least number of boxes Mr. Tan needs to pack all the 8 cards? So 462 divided by 9. Okay, 462 divided by 9. Then how many boxes you have? You know how to divide by this, right? By 9.
Yes.
Okay, you need 52 boxes. You know why answer is 52 and not 51?
No.
Because there's a remainder 3.
Oh.
This remainder 3, right, are 8 cards. Then they want to pack all the 8 cards. Right? They want to pack all the 8 cards, right? So you need at least 52 boxes. Now you get it now?
Yes.
Okay, this kind of question, sometimes answer is 51, but you need to see case by case basis. When need to round up, when no need to round up.
Okay.
Okay. If you have to put yourself in the shoes of Mr. Tan. Okay. Are you able to put yourself in the shoes of Mr. Tan?
No.
No. You imagine you're Mr. Tan. Imagine you want to pack 462 8 cards into boxes. Then every 8 card must be put into the boxes. So how many boxes you need? Of course, there's remainder. Then what are you going to do with the remainder? You're not going to throw away, right? So remainder you're going to put inside a box, right? So there's an extra box. Okay. Fraction 9.
Okay.
Okay. Zainer had 105 stamps in his collection. He gave away 57 of his stamps to his friends. How many stamps were left in his collection? So he gave away 57. What's the fraction of the stamps he has left? So what's the fraction he has left?
5/7.
No. He gave away 57. Left with?
105 minus 5/7.
Wrong. Wrong. Your concept of fraction. He gave away 5/7. So he left with how much? 1 whole minus 5/7. Left with how much?
5/4. 5/6.
Wrong. Try again. 1 whole is how many?
7/7.
No, 7/7 minus 5/7. Left with?
2/7.
He left with 2/7. So he left with 2/7. Then how many stamps were left in his collection? So I want to convert this fraction to a number of stamps. What must you do?
Divide.
You must tell me what must you do. Divide. What do you mean by divide? Or what do you mean by times? Which one times which one? Or which one divide by which one? What must you do with this fraction? 2/7.
Yeah.
What must you do with this fraction? To find the number of stamps left in his collection.
2/7 minus 105.
Wrong. Try again.
2/7. 105 minus 2/7.
Wrong also. It's not it's not add or minus. 2/7 of his stamps
2/7 divided by 105.
times 105. 2/7 of his stamps. 2/7 of a fraction of is always times. You get that?
Yes.
I've told you this many times. A fraction of is 2/7 times 2/7 of his collection is 2/7 times the number of collection he has. 2/7 times 105. You understand this concept?
Yes.
I told you this many times already. It's not the first time I'm teaching you this. Okay, you understand this?
Yes.
Yes, I'll confirm. Then
Yes.
after that, what must you do? What is 2 times 105?
210.
Good. 210 divided by 7 equal to how many? 210 divided by 7. What is 21 divided by 7?
21 divided by 7 equals
Your
3.
multiplication type table, I told you many times
3.
to go and memorize. So it's 30. You know why 30?
Yes.
Because you need to put a 0 behind. So answer is number 3, 30. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, number 10. Okay, Nathan had 2 kg of sugar. He used 29 kg, not 29 of the sugar, 29 kg to make a cake. So he used 29 kg. This fraction is quantity. You understand why quantity?
Yes.
Because there's a unit there. So this fraction is a quantity, it's not a fraction. 29 kg of sugar to make a cake and 2/3 kg to make this. How much he has left? So it's basically 2 minus 2/9 minus 2/3. So how to do this question? 2 minus 2/9, what you have? First, you convert 2 to
2 to 9, 18/9.
good. Minus 2/9 minus 2/3. So 18 minus 2/9, what you have?
18 minus 2/9 equals 16/9.
16/9. Then minus 2/3. You must convert the 2/3 to?
Must convert the 2/3 to 9.
Okay, the 3 changed to 9, right?
Yes.
Then the 2 changed to?
The
2.
2 equal 9.
The 2 also equal 9.
6.
Equal to 6. Because 3 changed to 9 more, right? Times 3. Then the answer is?
10/9.
10/9. 10/9 mixed number is what? What's the mixed number?
Well, 1/9.
Yes. So answer is number 3. Okay.
Okay.
Question 11. This one you can't do. Write out the number.
I forget to add one more zero.
Okay. So no need to go through.
Yeah.
56,000 and 4. You short 1 0 in the center, right?
Yeah.
This one. How many 20-cent coins are needed to make $23? Okay, so $1. $1 need how many 20-cent coins?
5.
5 20-cent coins, right?
Yeah.
So $23 will be how many 20-cent coin?
20 times 5.
No, $23.
Oh, $23. 5 times 23.
Good. Equal to how many? We use this. We do like this. I'll do here together. You tell me what to write.
5 times 3.
3 times
15.
5. 15. And here?
11.
So 115. Answer is 115.
Okay.
Question 13. Answer is 115.
Okay.
Find the product. This one also cannot do. Find the product. Do you understand the question?
Yes.
What does the question wants you to do? What does the question wants you to do? You tell me.
Divide 6, 3, 8 divided by 20.
Wrong. Find the product. Product is 638 times 20. Product. Remember, product means multiplying.
Oh,
Remember, because I I don't think I want to repeat this again now. Product means multiplying. Can remember?
okay.
Product means multiply. Product of this means multiply.
Okay.
So you multiply, what's the answer here?
Um, mm,
You do together, no? This one is how many?
um,
What must I write here? I multiply which one first? Which one should you multiply first?
2.
Huh? 8 and 2? No. 8 and 0.
8 and 0. Then at the bottom of them, write 638.
8 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is
0.
0. 8 times 2 is 6. Then 3 times 2 is, here must I write?
3 times 2 is 7.
3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Here, here
12.
must I add together? You have 1, 2, 7, 6, 0. This is the product. Clear?
Clear.
You know how to do this, oh?
Yes.
This one very important, and your foundation. Okay,
Okay.
now it's quotient. Quotient and remainder. And this one they already tell you divide already. So how should you do the division?
I don't know what quotient means.
Quotient means divide, or ask you to divide. Oh. They already spell out divide. Oh. Quotient means divide. Oh.
Okay.
They're asking you to use this divide by this. Your school never teach you what is quotient. Oh.
No.
Huh? What has your teacher been teaching? Your school never teach you what is quotient. But now you tell you lah, quotient means divide. The answer you get when you divide, that's quotient.
Okay.
So here, what must I write here?
3, 6, 9, 4.
Yup. And here must I write here?
6.
Good. Then after that, how to do this question? What must I write here?
6 times what equals 36? Equals 6.
All right. Then after
Then bring
that,
down the 9.
then after that,
Then put 0 on. Then put 1 on top.
then after that,
Then put 6 at the bottom. Then 9 minus 6 equals 3. Then bring down the 4 equals 34. Then 6 times what equals 34? Cannot, but the closest is 5.
what you
Then
have here?
30. Then remainder 4.
So tell me what's the quotient?
615.
Quotient is 615. Now you understand what I mean by quotient, no?
Yes.
And remainder. So you write like that.
Okay.
Or you write 615 R4. Also can. R stands for remainder. Or you can spell out remainder.
Okay.
Someone asks you to list the common multiple of 6 and 9, which are less than 50. So what are the common multiples of 6 and 9? Before you list out common multiples, let's list out the multiples of 6 first. Can you tell me what are the multiples of 6?
The multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54.
Yep, can stop here already because less than 50.
Okay.
Less than 50. How about multiples of 9?
Multiples of 9 is 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54.
Okay, can stop here. Less than 50. Okay, common multiples. Which are the common multiples?
18,
And what else?
50, 54,
And what else?
36.
But they want less than 50, right? So the answer should be?
18 and 36.
That's all. That's all, only 2 answers. Okay. So you need to learn how to list out your multiple and choose which one is the common one. Because it's common multiples.
Okay.
Because you keep having problems with the same kind of question, which make me think is the tuition really effective for you? You know what I mean?
Yes.
I noticed you keep having a problem with the same kind of question. And I'm thinking how to best help you. Do you think when you do the work? Do you put
Yes.
on your thinking cap?
Yes.
Then when I explain, do you ponder?
Yes.
And before I explain, do you also ponder?
Yes.
You have to think through. Max got to do a lot of thinking.
Okay.
Express this as a mixed number. This one also can't do. You know how to do this? I'm very, I'm very concerned about you. Because next year you are primary 5. Because this kind of question, if you are struggling, right, then
I
the school might.
know what is mix. I know how to make it into mixed numbers, but I don't know how to make it into simplest form.
Okay, you make it into mixed number first. Mixed number is what?
I do.
You tell me what's the mixed number. You make it into a mixed number. You say you know how to make it into a mixed number.
Yes. 3 over 3. 3 over 6.
So the simplest form would be?
I don't know.
You know. You think. Three over 6 is what?
3 over 6 is
Simplest form is? What's the simplest form for 3 over 6?
divide.
No, what is the simplest form? You give me the simplest form. 3/6 simplest form is equal to what? What is the fraction? Simplest form. You tell me what is the fraction supposed to be here? You try. Wrong, never mind. I want you to try. Because this is not exam, you try. 3/6 in simplest form is
1/2.
yes, 1/2. Then you could get it in simplest form. What? Do you see that you could get it in simplest form? You know how to do this question,
Yes.
but you left it blank, or I don't know, it's wrong. So you didn't try hard enough. That's all I would say.
Oh.
Having tuition doesn't mean you take it lightly, the homework. You have to take it seriously, and if you have to try very hard, every single question I give you.
Okay.
You cannot do it. Hello.
Yes.
You cannot do and have an attitude that is wrong is okay. Teacher David will help me, but you have to try hard enough to get the right answer as much as you can.
Okay.
That's all I want to say now. You have to try hard enough. What is this value here?
Okay.
Okay. How to do this question? How to do this one? Change.
I don't know the meaning of value.
Huh? What is the value of this? You add together. You don't know what's the meaning of value?
No.
What is the answer when I use 3 plus 5/12 plus 1/6? That's what the question is asking. Actually, even if you don't know the meaning of value, right, you can make a good guess what the question is asking you to do. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Because the question is written here, add together, what's the answer?
Okay.
Now you know the meaning of value.
Yes.
Value means what's the quantity. What is the quantity when you add these 3 terms together?
Okay.
So how to add? You know how to add?
Yes.
Okay, what must I do with the 3? Change to 3 should change to what?
3/3.
3, I should change it to how many? What is the LCM of the denominator? What is the LCM? Okay, can you tell me what are the 3 denominators?
Three denominators.
Yeah, which are the 3 denominators?
1, 6, and 12.
Correct. So these 3 are the denominators. Can you tell me what is the lowest common multiple of 1, 6, and 12?
1.
Lowest common multiple.
Oh.
Do you know why I'm asking? Multiple
Yes.
of 1, 6, and 12. The lowest common multiple is
1.
No. Multiple. Do you know what I'm asking?
Yes.
So 1, 6, and 12, the lowest multiple is? Lowest common multiple
6.
is? Multiple.
6.
1, 6, and 12, lowest common multiple.
2.
No, lowest common multiple. Do you know what is multiple? Just now I thought I list out.
Yes.
I thought when I do another question, then I list out the multiple of 6 and 9. Remember, just now
3.
that was what I did, right?
3.
Multiples. You're giving me factors. I'm asking for multiples. Do you know what is multiples?
Yes.
What is the multiple of 6?
6.
What are the multiples of 6?
6, 12, 18.
Yep, so on and so forth. How about multiples of 12?
12, 12, 24.
Okay, now you observe which one is the lowest common multiple of this 3 number? The lowest common multiple, 1, 6, and 12. The answer is very obvious to you. It's very obvious, really.
1, 6, 12.
Yeah, what is the lowest common multiple? First common multiple.
6.
First common multiple. What is the first common multiple? You still can't tell me the answer, then I don't know what to say.
12.
I already circle for you. But do you know why is that 12?
No.
Do you know why is it 12? Do you know why the lowest common multiple is 12?
No.
Because 12 times 1 give you 12. 1 times 12 give you 12. 6 times 2 give you 12. Now you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. 12 times 1 give you 12. 6 times 2, right? Give you 12. 1 times 12 give you 12. Okay. So 12 is the first common multiple of 1, 6, and 12. Got it?
Yes.
You have to internalize what I say. Because every lesson, there'll be less giving of answer.
Okay.
I'm going to make you think a lot. I cannot every lesson give you answer, then you never think. Then every lesson I notice your question, right? Those you don't know how to do, it's forever the same kind of question you don't know how to do. Then I don't know what really gets into your head during each tuition. You don't seem to internalize what I say. So it's not easy to really help you unless you put in effort on your part to think through what I say. Then this is 12. Then 3 over 1 is how many over 12?
Hmm.
3 over 1 is how many over 12? 3
4.
over 1. Nope, not 4 over 12. How did 1 become 12?
Times 12.
So here, what must you do?
12 times 3.
Yeah, that'll be 12 times 3 is how many? 36. Good. Then here,
5.
remain as 5, right?
Yes.
because no change in the denominator. How about the last one?
36.
How about the last one?
36.
Oh, I write 36 down here.
No. 2.
2. You write 2 down here. Then what's the answer? 36 plus 5 is how many?
41.
Then plus 2?
44. 43.
43 over 12.
12.
Do I need to put an over 12 here?
Yes.
Yes, right? So 43 over 12 is equal to, mixed number will be
Um. Um.
actually this question, right? You just need to do this part will do. You know why?
No.
You just need to do this part will do. Because the part, the whole number confirmed is 3. Because I notice you struggle when I do like that. You struggle a lot. So just do this part will do. This part will be, try again. What's the LCM of this?
2 over 12.
2 over 12. Equal to?
7 over 12.
Then I add a 3, right? So what's the answer here?
3, 7 over 12.
Okay. Like that would be easier to do, right?
Yes.
Would this method be easier for you?
Yes.
This will be a lot easier, right?
Yes.
So when you see this kind of question, you add this part first. Then you can write it in mixed number. Measure and write down the size of A. You know how to use a projector, right? Projector.
I know.
So that will give you, what's the degrees?
My answer for this question is 130, but the correct answer is 127.
So a projector, right, you need to see to the nearest degree. Very hard to explain here, how to use projector here.
I know how to use.
So you should get 127 now.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. This one. How to find P? P is how many? Can you tell me what angle is this? How many degrees is this?
I don't know.
You should know. Because this is a
90 minus 70.
no. Because this is a
Rectangle.
this is a square. Do you know this is a square?
Yes.
This is a square, right? They tell you it's a square.
30 degree.
So here is 30 degree. No, here is not 30 degree. Here is how many degree? Do you notice this WZ, right?
Yeah.
Cuts this square into how many parts?
Half.
Cuts it into half. So this part also cuts into half. So this part, whole thing is 90 degree, right? Cuts into half, you have?
45.
Yeah, 45.
That one is 45 degree.
This is 45 degree. Then can you tell me what is your P?
Mm,
What must you do to find P?
um,
Answer is very obvious already. Can you tell me how to find P?
45 divided by 2.
No. You think carefully. This whole thing is 70 degrees. You, Z.
I know 70 minus 45.
Yeah, 70 minus 45. And what's the answer?
Equals
Equal to how many?
35.
No. You minus off lah. Let's do together. What must I do?
0 change to 10.
Then after that,
Then that one change to 6. And then at the bottom, 10 minus 5 equals 5. 6 minus 4 equals
equal to
Two.
how many?
2.
So what's the angle T?
25 degree.
Yeah, just now you said 35. You said 35 just now, right?
Yes.
Twenty-five degrees. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 23. Charles had 261 cartons of drinks. He sold 84 cartons of drinks. Given that there are 45 cans of drinks in each carton, how many cans of drinks were left? What must you do? First step, what must you do?
Start 261 minus 84.
Very good. 261 minus 84. Just a minute now. How come this thing like that? $261 minus 84. This one equal to?
Equals to 1
Tell me,
change to 11. And then 6 equals 5. Then 11 minus 4 equals 7. Then 5 change to 15. Then 2 change to 1. Then 15 minus 8 equals 7. Then 1 minus 0 equals 1.
okay, so this 177 is the, what does 177 stands for?
There were 177 carton of drinks left.
Correct. Very good. Then how many cans were left? What must you do to find the cans of drinks that's left?
One seven seven times 45.
Very good. You're getting it now. Then this one, let's do together. You tell me what I must write.
35. Then put 3 on top.
Yep.
Then also 35 but plus 3 equals 8. 38. And then 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 3. 8. Then you add a plus sign at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And then 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Then 28 plus 2 equals 30. And then 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then you add
What you have?
equals 0, 5. And 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 8 plus 1 equals 9. Then put 7 there.
So how many cans of drinks left?
7, 9, 6, 5.
Yeah. So this question you could do. Without my help, you could do. Then how come I give you homework that Tam couldn't do? Do you notice you just did this question without my help? So actually you could do the question. You have to exercise critical thinking. Okay, then question 24. What must I do? This kind of question I went through with you many times. You notice? Arrange the fraction in greatest to smaller, smallest to greatest. I did this kind of question with you many times, right? Before. Can you tell me what must I do the first step? What must I do? This one, you change it to 1 and 7 over 8, you change to you change to improper fraction. Then you change to improper fraction, you have
15 over 8.
yes, 15 over 8. Okay, then this fellow here, I leave it as it is, right? It is my improper fraction right now.
Yes.
Then this one,
23.
23 over 12. Wait, let me write out in this form. So this one will be 23.
23 over 12.
Okay, now you tell me, can I compare these three at the moment? Can I compare or cannot? Still no, right? What must you do?
Put same denominator.
Okay. So what is the common denominator? You can put, that is the lowest common multiple, 6, 8, and 12.
6, 8, and 12.
What is the common denominator?
12.
12? No, not 12. Because 8 times what give you 12? 8 times a fraction then give you 12. So cannot be 12. It has to be what? Common multiple of 8, 6, and 12.
Six.
Common multiple. Lowest common multiple. 8, 6, and 12.
6 and 12.
8, 6, and 12. The lowest common multiple.
1.
Do you know what is multiple?
Yes.
Multiple, not factor.
But the 6, but the 8 don't have 12 or 6.
So you must be what? Not 12. So should be. What's the next tier? First tier is 12, right? Second tier would be. Just when you say 12, you're on the right track, you know. But it's not 12 because of the 8. So it has to be. What is 12 times 2?
12 times 2 is 24.
Hello? So it has to be 24, the second tier.
Oh.
You get it?
Yes.
Because 12 doesn't make it, it has to be 24. Because 24 is a multiple of 8 also.
Okay.
So everything, how many over 24? This one is how many over 24? You tell me 15 multiplied by 1.
24.
What must I fill out here?
23.
No. 8 times what give you 24?
8 times 3.
8 times 3. Then here would be?
Times 3 also.
So here will be 15 times 3. What is 15 times 3?
15 times 3 is
15 times 3. 15 times 3 is 45. Okay, 15 times 3 is 45.
okay.
Okay, then how about here? How did I end up with 24?
Times 4.
Times 4. Then what do you have?
44.
Yes. And this one?
12 times 2. And 23 plus 23 equals 46.
Okay, now you tell me, you can compare now, which one is the greatest? Which one is the greatest?
1, 11, 1, 1, 1, 12.
1 and 11, 12. That's the greatest. Second will be?
Second will be 1, 7, 8.
Yeah. The smallest will be?
4, 8. 11 over 6.
11 over 6. This kind of question, try not to ask me again. You know why I say that?
No.
Because I have told you many times how to do this already, and I've shown you this kind of steps many times already.
Oh.
You by now you should know how to do already. And in fact, now I don't want to hold your hand. Now I let you tell me what to write. I let you do the question.
Okay.
So this kind of question you should know how to do by now. By now.
Okay.
Because too many times already you couldn't do. Because if I keep giving you the answer, it's not going to be helpful. So I let you be the one telling me what to write. That'll be better. How about here? How about here? Derek started playing computer games at 11:55 a.m. He stopped playing at 1:40 p.m. How long did he play the computer games? So what must you do? 1:40, you change to 13 hours. This represents your 1:40.
2 hours and 2 hours and 45 minutes. But in minutes, then 1 hour is 60. 16.
Okay, this
then
one,
plus 45.
This one you
It
change to 12 hours. 12 hours, 100 minutes. Minus 11 hours, 55 minutes. Okay. This one, change to 12 hours, 100 minutes.
But why is it 100 minutes?
40 plus 60.
Oh, okay.
40 plus 60 minutes is 100 minutes.
Okay.
That's why 100 minutes. Then you minus off 1 hour, 45 minutes.
Okay.
Give your answer in minutes, right? So 1 hour is 60 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay, understand now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Okay, Gabriel drew 4 straight lines. 4 straight lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Lines C, D, and E, F are perpendicular to AB. GH is parallel to AB.
Okay.
So you're supposed to state whether true or false.
Okay.
Lines CD and EF are parallel to each other. True or false?
False.
CD and EF, they are parallel. It's true. CD and EF, they are parallel to each other. Right? Okay. CD, EF, they are parallel.
Oh. Okay.
You know what does parallel means, right? Parallel means like that.
Oh. Okay.
Parallel. This is parallel. Or like that. Or
Okay.
like that. Like that. Parallel. They don't touch each other. Okay?
Okay.
So it's true. Lines GH and EF met and form a right angle.
Not possible to tell.
They form a right angle. It's true. Both are true. They form a right angle. Because this one, they say that they are perpendicular. Earlier on, remember, they said that they are perpendicular, right? So it's a right angle. Because if this one are parallel, these two are parallel, it is a right angle. So it's true. You understand, no?
Yes.
Okay, 32. The bar graph below shows the number of students who visited a library from Monday to Friday. So 126 students visited a library on Thursday and Friday. How many visited on Wednesday? So you count Thursday and Friday, how many gaps are there? Here got how many gaps?
7.
Altogether 7 gaps. So 7 gaps is 126 students. One gap is how many?
126 divided by 7.
That'll give you? That'll give you 18. Okay, I got no time to do the long division with you already. I have to quickly go through already. So one gap is 18. Then Wednesday has how many gaps?
Wednesday has 6 gaps.
6 gaps. So what must you do?
6 gaps equals 126 divided by 6.
No. One gap is 18.
Oh, then 18 times 6.
18 times 6. 108. Okay, you get it now.
Yes.
That's why it's 108.
Okay.
Okay, 33. 33, there's a typo here. This is not 9. This is A. A number is a factor of 15. A number is a factor of 15. When 4 is added, the number becomes a multiple of 3. So what are the factors of 15? Can you tell me what are the factors of 15? Starting
30.
from what? Factors.
Oh. Factors of 15 is 5.
Starting from in ascending order. 1.
1, 5.
Ascending order. You list out your factors in ascending order, smallest to the biggest.
3.
1, 3. 1, 3.
5.
5. Followed by?
7.
No, 7 is not a factor of 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors of 15. Okay?
Okay.
1, 3, 5, 15. Then when 4 is added, right? So I add a 4, right? So I add 4, what do all these numbers become? I add a 4, what do 1 become?
Add a
1 plus 4 is how many?
Plus 4.
Huh? Add a 4 equal to 4.
5. 7.
Are you looking at the screen? Okay.
A 9. A
15
19.
plus 4. Okay. This number becomes a multiple of 3. Which number is a multiple of 3? This 4 number, which number is a multiple of 3? Multiple of 3, you tell me.
9.
Good, 9. But you don't write 9 here. They're asking is what is the number? So what is the number originally?
9.
You don't write 9 here. The number is what number? Originally is what number? Originally is what number? Originally is not 9. Originally is what number?
Originally was 3.
Huh? It's very obvious. Originally is what number?
5.
5. Originally was 5. So you write 5 as the answer. Because they ask what is the number.
Okay.
The number is a factor of 15. 5 is a factor of 15. Okay. A number is a factor of 15. When 4 is added, it becomes a multiple of 3. Okay. 4 is added, it becomes a multiple of 3. So the number is 5. Okay.
Okay.
.34. For every 3 questions, right? He answered correctly and quiz, a contestant will be awarded 7 points. How many questions must be answered correctly in order for the contestant to get a total of 84 points? So that'll be 84 divided by 7. You know why divide by 7? No? You know why
Yes.
I need to divide by 7?
Yes.
That's to see the number of sets of 3 questions answered correctly.
Equals 12.
Okay, answer is 36. Oh, understand? 12 times 3 is
Yes.
36. Those 3 questions more. Number of sets of 3 questions. So how many questions? 12 times 3. I got to explain very fast already, because you only have up to 7 o'clock. And I still got about 10 questions to explain to you. And section C is very, very intense. So I'll explain very fast now. Jason is in an amusement park. He's standing at point X. The figure below shows the locations of different attractions in the amusement park. Which direction is the fishing game from Jason, given that he's facing north? So he's facing north, right? Fishing game is this direction, right? This direction is what? What is this direction? Can you tell me what is this direction?
Southwest.
Southwest. This direction is southwest. So answer is southwest. Okay, answer is southwest.
Okay.
You know why? Okay, Jason was facing one of the attractions at first. After he made a 335 degrees turn, right? He faced Ferris wheel. So he's facing Ferris wheel now, but that's after he made 135 degrees anti-clockwise. So I need to make, to find where he's facing, right? I need to make 135 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Clockwise.
You need to make 135 clockwise. Wait a minute, 135. This is 135. This is 90, this is 135. So where would he be facing? 135 should be here.
Giggly house.
Nope. We make a good guess. 135 beside that. So that is 180. So 135 is until here. So it's
roller
what?
coaster.
Yeah, it's roller coaster. Okay, 36. I notice all the problem sum you cannot do. 36, 37, 38, 39, all cannot do. Do you even try?
Yes.
Then all cannot do. All wrong. Your school might force you to take foundation max already, you know. Because P4 only you all cannot do really. Then next year P5 how? P5 will be 2 times harder. Then P6 three times harder. Okay, the figure below is made up of 2 identical rectangles, A, B, E, F, and B, C, D, E. So they actually give you the dimension. So what's the length of AC? What's the length of AC?
12.
12, very obvious. Because here is 6. What's the area of ACDF? What's the area of this thing? How to find area?
24 plus 19 plus 19.
No, area.
12 plus 12, 19 plus 19.
Not plus. Area. Area is the space, right? The space inside. What must you do? What is the space? What is the number of space inside? What must you do? You don't plus you. What must you do? Make a good guess. What must you do?
Find the inside.
Yeah, the amount of space. How do I find the amount of space inside here?
the amount. All the sides add together, then plus another 19.
No. What must you do? Can you see there's 12 stripes here?
Yes.
Then each stripe is 19. Then how many stripes are there? How many are there?
19 times 12.
Yes, that's the area. 19 times 12 is the area. Get it?
Yes.
Oh, 19 times 12. So 19 times 12, no need. Do you need me to show you how to get the answer?
No need.
No need. You know how to do this already, right? By now. You should know how to do this by now already. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
I move on to the next question already. We're running out of time. 37. Okay, Amina bought 2 different items from a bookshop. She gave 4 $5 notes. So 4 $5 notes and 3 50-cent coins. 3 50-cent coins. So altogether, how much she gave to the cashier? $21.50. Okay, this is how much she gave to the cashier. She received a change of 15 cents. So this is how much she spent. Okay, this is how much she spent.
Okay.
Then which 2 items she bought? You see which 2 add up equal to this? That's the 2 items.
Okay.
Okay. So which 2 items add up will give you this? Okay, 890 and 1245. So she bought crayons and t-shirt. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You just add, keep adding the 2, which 2 you choose. Then add together, you give you this. Then that's the 2.
Okay.
Okay. But there's a more intelligent way. A more intelligent way is you see, this is 5 here, right? There's a 5 here, right? So
Yeah.
it has to be 0 and 5. You have to pair 0 and 5 together. The last digit. That's how you choose.
Okay.
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 Okay. Maria read a book for 1 hour, 25 minutes. After she read the book, she did her homework for 50 minutes. So she read book 1 hour, 25 minutes. After reading, right, she did her homework for 50 minutes. She complete her homework at 5:50. Okay. So this one I add together is 1 hour, 75 minutes. 1 hour, 75 minutes is 2 hours, 15 minutes.
Okay.
You know how I get 2 hours, 15 minutes?
Yes.
Confirm you know.
Yes.
2 hours, 15 minutes. So she completed her homework this time. How long did Mary spend in total reading and doing her homework? Okay, this is how long she spent. Okay, in reading and doing her homework. 2 hours, 15 minutes. So what time she started reading the book? So 5:50 minus 2 hours, 15 minutes. That's the time. So that is 3:35. 3:35 p.m. Understand?
Yes.
3:35 p.m. I go through very fast, I know.
Okay.
39.
Okay.
Charlotte has some animals in her farm. 1/3 are ducks. 1/6 of them are sheep. So ducks is 1/3. Sheep is 1/6. Goats is 2/9. The remaining are cows. Okay. So cows is,
Okay.
what's the fraction for cows? How do you find the fraction for cows?
The
How to
duck,
find the fraction?
sheep, goat, add everything together.
Then after that,
Then after that, the answer minus 165.
no, no. Once you tell me 165 is wrong already. You use one whole. You every time forget one whole.
Oh, then the answer.
You always forget one whole. I don't understand why you keep forgetting one whole. One whole, you minus the fraction. One whole minus the fraction, you get the answer already. One whole minus the fraction, you get another fraction. The fraction is equivalent to 165. So what is one whole minus all this fraction?
Equals all this fraction plus together. Then
You tell me what this fraction plus together equal to how many? You change the denominator to
the same.
Which is what?
Change everything to 12.
Nope, not 12. 369. What's the LCM? First common multiple. 369.
9.
Nope, not 9. 369. What's the lowest common multiple of 369?
3.
Multiple.
Multiple is 12.
No, not 12. You tell me. It has to be a multiple. 3, 6, and 9. Is how many? My answer is on the board already. Because I got no time to let you answer already. I have to give you the answer. It's 18. You know why 18?
No.
Because 18 is a common multiple of 3, 6, and 9. 9 times 2 is 18. What? 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. So 18 is the lowest common multiple of 3, 6, and 9.
Oh.
Get it? Get it? Your
Yeah.
multiplication timetable, please go and memorize. Have you memorized it?
A little bit.
I want you to memorize. If not, it's very hard to continue this tuition with you.
Okay.
You please go and memorize your multiplication timetable. You will say a little bit. If not, it's very hard to continue this lesson with you already. Okay.
Okay.
So how did 3 become 18?
3 times 6.
Okay, so here, what must I write here? What must I write here? 6. And here?
Times 3.
Yeah.
And 1 times 2.
Okay. Then this one add all together is how many?
13 over 18.
Yep. So I minus off is how many over 18? I
So,
minus.
um,
Okay. 5 units. You know how I get 5?
Yes.
18 minus 13.
Okay.
18 minus 13 is 5. So 5 units,
Okay.
165.
Okay.
So how many animals she has in the farm? Okay. That's the answer. 165 divided by 5 times 18.
Okay.
This is 1 unit. Then 18 units times 1 unit. That's the answer.
Okay.
You will get 594.
Okay.
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 You please reattempt all these questions.
Okay.
How about question 40? Jenny makes 320 ml syrup and 4 times as much water to make orange juice. So her syrup and water. So 4 times water, right?
Yes.
So here is how many? You tell me how to find this.
320 times 3.
Huh? Times 3.
Times 4.
320 times 4. Okay.
Okay.
320 times 4. But all together will be 320 times 5. Because I need to add the syrup also.
Okay.
How much orange juice she make? 1.6 liter or 1,600 ml. She drink 1/5 of the orange juice, right? How much she drink? 1/5 times 1,006 equal to 320. Okay.
Okay.
You know how to get 320, 1/5 times 1,006.
Okay.
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 41. Mr. Yap and Mr. Lim had a total 508 paintings. After Mr. Yap gave Mr. Lim 136 paintings, Mr. Lim had 3 times as many paintings as Mr. Yap. So I need to draw model now. So before and after. So you need to draw model before and after. Okay, 136, right? Mr. Yap gave Mr. Lim 136. Then Mr. Lim had 3 times as many as Mr. Yap.
Okay.
So Mr. Lim originally had this amount. So this is 136. This 136, can you see?
Yes.
Then you have 3 times of it. So throughout this whole time, right, their paintings is always 508. By the way. So this is 1 unit. Here is also 1 unit. Here is 1 unit. So I need to see how much is this, right? So this one will be 4 units is 508. Because here there's 4 units. Can you see there's 4 units here?
Yes.
This 1 unit, this 1 unit. So 4 units is 508. 1 unit is 127. You divide by 4. 3 units is 381. So how many painting he has at first? 381 minus 136 equal to 245. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 3 units minus 136. That's what he has originally.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
42. 42 also have to draw model. Charlie, David, Alvin collected country eraser. Charlie had twice as many country eraser as David. Charlie has twice as much as David. David had 12 more than Alvin. He's Alvin. So Alvin is 1U. Is 1U plus 12. So this 1U plus 12. 1U plus 12. Huh? You understand now?
Yes.
Okay, they had total 204. You know what to do now? With the model drawing, do you know what to do? It's very obvious already.
204. 204 times 2.
No. 204 don't need to times anything. All this add up is 204. All this add up is how many units? You count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. 4 units plus 36. Because 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36.
Okay.
Then 4 units is how many? 4 units is 168.
4 units.
So 1 unit is 42, right? How many did Charlie have? You count 1 unit plus 42 plus 12 is 54. 54 times 2 lah. 108. Answer is 108. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we move on to 43.
Okay.
Is 43 the last question? Yeah, 43 is the last question. Okay, 43, I can take my time and explain really. Okay, 2/9 of the buns in the bakery are chocolate buns. So 2/9 of it are chocolate buns. The remaining buns are strawberry or vanilla. Given that there's 753 strawberry buns. And 689 vanilla buns. How many buns are there? Okay, can you tell me what must you do? You know why is this 7 units, right?
Yes.
Because 9 minus 2. So this 7 units. 9 minus 2. Altogether, the whole bakery is 1 whole. So 1 whole minus 2 over 9 is 7 over 9. 7 over 9, so 7 units.
Okay.
10 units, these two add together is how many?
7.
Okay.
Okay.
1442 lah.
Okay.
So 7 units is 1442. So can you tell me 1 unit is how many? How to find 1 unit?
1442 divided by 7.
Correct. The answer is how many? How to do here?
2. Put 2 on top, then equals 14. And then equals, put 0, then you bring down the 2. You bring down the 4 and 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, 206 are 1 unit.
Okay.
So I want to find how many units? How many units are you supposed to find? In the whole bakery, how many units you're supposed to find?
The bakery is
How many units are you supposed to find?
1.
No. No. This whole thing is the whole bakery. The whole bakery has how many units? The answer is very obvious to you already.
7 units.
You see properly?
9 units. 9 units.
Yes, 9 units. 9 times 206. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the number of buns in a bakery.
Okay.
Okay, no question already,
Yes.
Okay, you re-attempt all the questions that you have asked. Please re-attempt. Very important.
Okay.
Okay, you re-attempt Henry Park paper. Those questions you ask me on. Please re-attempt without looking at any solution and answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.